Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to solve a common problem that many people face: printing your transaction history from Wells Fargo, whether you need it for personal records, budgeting or tax purposes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to Wells Fargo website, this one. Look at it carefully, then log in using your username and password here, and then you have to choose your account. Like, once you are logged in, you will see a list of your accounts on the dashboard. Click on the account for which you want to view or print transaction history. Now you have to scroll down and look for the option called download transaction history. Download and save the file to your computer. You can also print directly from your monthly statements. From the menu bar, go to account services, select statements and documents, choose your account and statement period, open the PDF file of your statement, print it directly from your browser or PDF viewer. So that's it. You now have a printed copy of your Wells Fargo transaction history, quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, tutorials and problem solving guides.